students, today we will learn about notice. Notice is a prior information that any organization wanted to give that information to maximum number of people. As notice तब लिखा जाता है जब information बहुत सारे लोगों को देनी होती है. You also read in schools, so lots of information by the authorities are supposed to give to you for the teachers as well as for the students. आप नोटिस बोर्ड में देखते होंगे आपको बहुत सारी इन्फॉर्मेशन लिखी होती हैं. एक स्क्वायर कलर का बॉक्स होता है दैट मैनी इन्फॉर्मेशन आर पेस्टेड ऑन द नोटिस बोर्ड. सो सच काइंड ऑफ नोटिस आल्सो अपीयर्स इन आवर एग्ज़ाम. हमारे एग्ज़ाम में भी आते हैं. और नोटिस कैरी 4 मार्क्स. 4 मार्क्स का होता है. 1 मार्क्स फॉर फॉर्मेट होता है, 2 मार्क्स फॉर कंटेंट होता है, 1 मार्क्स फॉर एक्सप्रेशन होता है. फॉर्मेट में एनी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन नेम, प्लेस और अथॉरिटी मीन्स जिस ऑर्गेनाइजेशन के थ्रू वो नोटिस हमें दिया जा रहा है वो लिखना होता है. कंटेंट में क्या होना है, व्हाट, व्हाई, वेयर, व्हेन मीन्स सच काइंड ऑफ WS फैमिलीज वर्ड्स गिव्स द आंसर दैट कैरी इन कंटेंट. क्या होना है मीन्स एनी एक्टिविटी और एनी इंफॉर्मेशन. व्हाट इज़ दैट, वाई का आंसर मिलता है वेयर एंड व्हेन. दैट कैरी 2 मार्क्स. 1 मार्क्स फॉर एक्सप्रेशन. ग्रामेटिकल एक्यूरेसी देखी जाती है, फ्लुएंसी देखी जाती है. फ्लुएंसी मीन्स द sentences are correlated or not, grammatically tenses are correct or prepositions are used in a proper manner. So such things, format, content, expression that carry 4 marks. 4 marks का आपका नोटिस आता है. 4 मार्क्स का आपका नोटिस आता है. So there are some steps to write a notice. Suppose first of all we will write here address means the place where the notice is being issued. Second step, heading we write as a topic, date we mention, place, that activity where it will be held, and other informations etc. In the last step 4, designation with signature means the person whom the information is given and its signature. In the last it appears. Here we will have a example for that. Suppose you are Manav, Secretary of Cultural Committee of Gita Vidya Mandir, Gohana. Write a notice in not more than 50 words informing the students as well as teachers that school is organizing an inter-house singing competition for classes 9 to 12. Mention all important details related to competition. Means name is given Manav, who is the Secretary of Culture Activity. Organization name Gita Vidya Mandir, Gohana. Which information, that an inter-house singing competition is going on in the school and for which classes 9 to 12. Such information are given. We have to correlate all these informations and we will write a notice. Let's see how we will write a notice. After the information means what, when, where, why, how it will be held. So we all these things carry in content. In the last, designation, and then here signature. This is the format to how to write a notice. ये format है notice कैसे लिखा जाता है. When we will start to write a notice, it could be starting from many words. Suppose first of all are informed, we can write here. All are hereby informed, we can choose this one also. It could be the starting, it is informed, it is hereby informed, it is to inform, you will be glad to know, all are glad to know. Means such kind of sentences can be used, means anyone can be used before writing content. Means जब हम कंटेंट लिखेंगे तो इन सेंटेंसेस से आपकी कोई भी नोटिस की स्टार्टिंग हो सकती है. ऑल आर इन्फॉर्म्ड, ऑल आर हियर बाय इन्फॉर्म्ड, it is informed, it is hereby informed, this is to inform, you will be glad to know that, all we are glad to know means एंड कुछ इन्फॉर्मेशन ऐसी भी होती है जिससे आपको मिलके बहुत ज़्यादा खुशी होती है। मीन्स कोई भी ऐसी एक्टिविटी जो आपके लिए बहुत आपके हॉबी के अकॉर्डिंग हो, सपोज कोई डांस कंपटीशन है, कोई सिंगिंग कंपटीशन है, कोई आर्ट एंड क्राफ्ट कंपटीशन है, तो सच हॉबीज़ related to such kind of activity we can also feel happy. So we can also mention in the starting you will be glad to know, yeah, all are glad to know. So such kind of words, such kind of sentence we can use in the starting of any notice. So we can pick one. सो हमें जैसे अभी पता था कि भी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन नेम गिवन है, पहले हमने एक बॉक्स लगाया दैट कुड बी बाय ए स्केल नॉट लाइक दिस. सो मीन्स विच ऑर्गेनाइजेशन इज गोइंग टू पेज दैट गीता विद्या मंदिर गोहाना. Then we will write in second notice. Then inter-house singing competition. This activity is going to be happen. That's why inter-house singing competition. डेट कब की, जिस दिन आपको इन्फॉर्मेशन देना है, मीन्स द पर्टिकुलर डेट व्हेन यू आर गोइंग टू पेस्ट द इन्फॉर्मेशन. सो वी आल्सो हैव read now about the starting of the content. Suppose we have to pick one. It is informed. So we can write here in the starting, it is informed to all students as well as teachers that school is organizing an inter-house singing competition for classes 9 to 12th. Means where it is going to be held, means in our school, Gita Vidya Mandir school. Then which activity, which inter-house singing competition, which classes 9 to 12th will be involved in that. When it will be held on 30th May 2020 in school auditorium. So all the house in charges are requested to finalize 2 students from their respective houses and submit the name to the cultural committee. कब तक देने नेम, लेटेस्ट बाय 23rd May 2020. For further details contact the undersigned. Then designation with signature, cultural committee secretary, and here वही नाम लिखना है जो अगर आपको क्वेश्चन पेपर में गिवन है. Then you will write here the same name, means मानव. So this is the format, this is the way that is used to write a notice. Means first of all we will write here organization name, then notice, then heading, then date when you are going to paste the topic, then content, then in the last designation. This is all the information what we demand to write a notice. I hope that all the students have learned about how to write a notice. Thank you.